Is your house better than your neighbor's house? Probably it is. That's why you need fantastic speakers, and Sanos will give you that experience. There will be no cables visible, so your wife will be pleased. And the sound quality should be incredible. We need to test it out. The whole box is looking... Wow. How do I open it? Okay, there is a... Okay. So we breach the sticker and move. It's very strange, but kind of cool. Bam. Okay. And now... Wow. Wow. Talk about presentation. My friend, it is fantastically good presentation. There it is. It smells so nice. Oh. Okay, so that's the speaker wrapped with this beautiful cloth. It feels very nice in the hands. And there's also something inside. What is it? Some accessories. Cool box. Okay. Welcome. Let's get it started. And power cable. Oh wow. My dirty fingers. Okay, now I'm better prepared. Yes. And this is how it looks like. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy. Couple of buttons on the front and the power indicator. It should be standing on this side and or on this side, like you can see. On the back we have an internet connection. I think this is for the headphones and power. Now the power cable is 2 meters, so it's very long. Well, 2 meters. Adding Sanos to your smartphone is very simple. Oh, you have to touch it, all right. And there it is. Now the password for my internet, for my wireless internet, Wi-Fi. Now you can set it up where it should be. Dining room, then bathroom, just a name. You won't change anything. Let's say a TV room, because why not? Okay, let me stop talking about the speaker. Let's hear it. But like you can hear, we have stereo microphones and the sound stage is terrible in this room. Well, this room has no sound treatment at all, so there's a lot of echo in here. Echo! So it's quite bad. But it's also good, so we can test the speaker in a very hushed environment. So half of the testing will be with the sound treatment room and a half in this room. So you maybe could hear a difference. I'm using Rode 2 microphones in stereo mode.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call and you're several times? It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes?
Next.
On my own, but it's alright. You hit the road, but you don't realize I wanna back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I wanna back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
This speaker sounds bigger than it is, which is fantastic. It's clear, it's a very warm sound, but not too warm. You can do all kinds of magic with the app. And if you have two of them, you can do real stereo. And I think with this contraption, with the Sanos speaker, you don't need anything more. Well, if you don't like the cables to lay around all over the place, your wife won't be pleased with the cables. So build quality is very nice. It's all plastic, but trust me, it's well, you just hear it. It sounds very rich, warm, and you will love it. That's all I have. It's a fantastic speaker. Check it out. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.